Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Hey, y'all, I want to share a quick little recipe here, a dish here that is probably my most requested dish from my friends after they taste it. A lot of them never heard of it before, but after they taste it, anytime they come to my house for dinner or something, this is one of the most requested dish. It's chicken piccata. I'm going to show you the way I do mine. And it's very simple. All it is a chicken dish, breaded with eggs, and I serve it with a lemon butter sauce. And usually I have like an angel hair pasta with a marinara sauce on it, usually some beans. But I'm gonna do my pasta with it, my lemon butter. I'm gonna show you how you make that, which I made that before, and that's it. So anyway, let's get started, y'all. Very, very simple recipe, y'all. I got some chicken breast here. Make sure your chicken breast is thinly sliced. You can buy it like that, or you can take it and pound it thin yourself. It helps speed up the cooking process. So I'm gonna just put salt and pepper. That's all you're gonna put on it. You know me, I don't use too many seasonings on my food. Y'all know that already. Doesn't take all that. So I'm gonna season this on both sides. Put salt and pepper. Salt and pepper on there. Now, in this, in the liquid, what I breaded in, all I have here is eggs and Parmesan cheese. That's all it is. Egg and Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna mix this up in here. And that's what we're gonna use to bread this chicken in. Mix that up really, really good. It's really, really incorporated. Now, I'm gonna take some flour here. All in here, all I got is some flour. Let me turn my fire back up here. I got a skillet over here with some oil in it. All I'm gonna do, you're gonna put it in flour, cause I need something to glue the egg on there. I'm gonna put 4 pieces. I'm gonna try to do 8 pieces, 4 at a time here. Dust it in flour. Put it in the egg and cheese mixture. Dump it in there. Make sure you dust all the flour off. No excess flour. Dust all the excess flour off. We're going to move over to our skillet here. Like I said, y'all, this is a very, very simple dish here. So all I'm going to do, y'all, take that, put it right in the skillet just like that. Right in the skillet, just like that, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is an amazing dish. That's it. Turn the fire up a little. I'm gonna brown it on both sides, and then I'm gonna put it on the sheet pan with a rack, and I'm gonna like to finish it off in the oven, just to preserve the little natural color on it. Trying to stick on it. There we go. I'm gonna heat my water up here in the back, y'all, and I'm gonna cook my pasta. I'll get my pasta getting ready to heat up. And like I say, y'all, this is a very, very simple dish here. Very simple. Something I've been cooking for years. And I'm telling you, you serve this to your friends or relatives or whatever, they're gonna be coming back like, what is that? Can you give us that chicken piccata dish again? I have people, like I say, they taste it one time and they hooked. So while I'm letting it cook, I'm gonna get my other chicken here and put it in the flour. Put the flour here while y'all watching that cook off. Get the rest of the chicken ready to go in the skillet. We're gonna turn that over as soon as it brown. We're gonna turn it over, y'all. That's it. That's the color you want. Nice golden brown color. That's what you want. Just this one over. That's it. And what's gonna happen, that chicken when you put that lemon butter on there with that pasta, all that just absorb all that nice sauce into that chicken. and it's amazing. So like I said, I posted this I think a couple of weeks ago when a couple of my friends came over for dinner, and this is what he wanted to eat. And people was asking, why you make that? What is chicken piccata? And I promised y'all I'd share it with y'all. So this is it. Let my pasta water down back here. And I'm gonna cook my angel hair pasta off here in a second. And all you're gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna take it out of here, put it on a sheet pan with a rack. And this is not completely done, y'all. I'm gonna finish it off in the oven. And while I'm finishing off in the oven, I'm gonna make my lemon butter sauce. A little bit more oil in there. Get my other 4 pieces of chicken. Throw in there. This is very quick, y'all. And the meal really looks so complicated, but it's not. Just a second. Let me get all this chicken breaded up in here. Okay. All breaded up in here. This one in here. This one in there. That one. Couple of more, y'all. And I'm definitely gonna put the recipe in the description box, y'all, as always. Okay. That's it. We're gonna brown them off there. Once those are browned off, we're gonna come back here. I'm gonna show you how to make the lemon butter sauce for this. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay. I'm gonna take the rest of these out. You see I got it on my pan here. And this meal is very, very cheap to make, really. You can get these chicken breasts pounded already for pretty much like $7, y'all. And you know, I'm serving it with a pasta. Okay, see this? Now I'm gonna put them in the, back y'all up here. I'm gonna put them in the oven here. In the oven now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get my lemon butter sauce going. All it is, y'all seen me make lemon butter before, I think. I got lemon juice here. Fresh lemon juice there. I'm gonna put a little cream in here, which you don't have to, but I am, just to make sure it don't separate on me. Now, I'm gonna let this come to a boil. And once this comes to a boil, I'm gonna put the butter in there, like I did before on another previous recipe. Very simple sauce, y'all. Very simple sauce here. And while that's going, I'm gonna get my pasta going back here in the back. And I like to use angel hair pasta, y'all. You know, the thin noodles, but they cook so quickly and they go so well with this dish. I'll put these back here in the pot here. And what I'm gonna do when this angel hair is ready, I'm gonna mix it with some marinara. You know my Rails marinara? I'm gonna mix this into it with it. Voila, we got a meal all of a sudden, y'all. Don't take long at all. Don't take long at all. So I'm gonna let this release just a little. Let my pasta cook down a little here. So I'm gonna step off just a second, y'all. Once this start reducing a little and I put my butter in it, then we'll be ready to go. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, it's time to add the butter to this. And y'all seen before in my previous video, all you're gonna do is add the butter really, really slowly. I'm gonna turn this down, because I don't want this butter to melt too fast in here, y'all. Put it really, really slow in here. If I I add it too fast, butter's gonna split on me. And I don't want that to happen. I want this sauce to be thick. So you really gotta watch it how you put it. You can't put it too quick, and you can't have it not good enough. So I'm multitasking here. I gotta watch my pasta also in the back here. So you gotta multitask on the stove. Ready? Add a little bit more butter. Little by little, y'all. Little by little. You can see it's thickening up there. A little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. Now I'm at the last piece. See how quick that was, y'all? Now I'm going to turn it off. Turn it off here. Add a little salt and pepper, which I know it needs without even tasting it, because I've made this enough before. Mix that last little butter up. Then we're going to pour it out. I'm going to move the pasta up to the front. That's it. See how quick that was? Pour this up. And that's the sauce for the chicken right there. Now, move this up. Turn it all back on here. I'm gonna get this pasta cooked off. And we'll be ready to eat here. The chicken, you know, chicken was so thin, so it's in the oven. But it'll be ready here in just a second. Move that to the side. We're gonna come back right in a second. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna mix this pasta together. It's so quick and easy, y'all. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. My pasta's ready. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain this off. I'm gonna use the same pot that I had my pasta in. I'm gonna throw my marinara in here. See how quick this is? So easy, y'all. Simple, 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 simple. Put that in there. Find my whisk. Whisk this up a little. And I really don't have to get that hot, y'all, because the pasta's already hot. And once I add it to this, I want to bring it up to a low temperature here. Then we're going to put the pasta right into the sauce. And voila, that'll be ready. Like I said, y'all, I make this for my friends all the time. And a lot of times I wait till they get here just to start cooking it. Because I know how quick and easy it is to make it. And this said Rayo's, you know, I love my Rayo's, marinara sauce. Mix that up in there. Okay, now I'm gonna pour this pasta right back in there. That pasta there that I just cooked, pour that in there. Actually, I'm gonna turn it off because the heat from the pasta is gonna do its thing. And heat and marinate all the way up. And that's it. See that? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna step out one more time. When I come back, I'm gonna show you how to place this up for them. And we're gonna have a bite of this chicken piccata, y'all. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna show you how because when my friends are here, we'll serve it definitely ceramic style on the table. So what I do, I put the pasta down. The pasta down there like that. If I got veg, like green beans or something, I would definitely put it in the middle. Then I remember the chicken I cooked. We'll put the chicken like this. I'll lay the chicken up there just like this. See that? Lay the chicken up there like that. A little bit more. Oh, they love it. They loves it, y'all. Then we'll go back. Remember that sauce I made? Hold on, y'all. Let me clean this up right here. Let me clean this up right there. Okay. Then I go with the sauce right there. Then we'll have extra sauce, of course, to go on the pasta. You put a little sauce on this pasta, I'm telling you, it'd be awesome. And you put a little Parmesan cheese on the chicken. Just like that, y'all. That's how I do it. And that's it. I can do a meal for my friends that come over and like this dish. It don't take really 30 minutes to do this dish. And I have no cleanup. Really nothing to clean up. So anyway, I'm going to be right back, y'all. We're going to taste this. And I'm going to tell you how good it is. I already know. But I'll be right back.